Nawawalan ka na ba ng pag-asang gumaling dahil sa dami ng iyong sakit at wala ka ng pampagamot? Don't worry kapatid, there is still hope. STC30 by Superlife World is here to help you live a full and healthy life. STC30 is a stem cell that flows through the nerves that repairs and regenerates the cells. Hindi lang ito para sa may karamdaman dahil mainam din itong panlaban sa iba't ibang uri ng sakit at nagpapalakas ng resistensya. Ano nga ba ang stem cell? Ito ay mga cells na may regenerative properties na dumadami at exceeding rapid rates to repair and rejuvenate the body from damages caused by various illnesses such as kidney and liver diseases, stroke, diabetes, bone fractures, arthritis, ulcers, skin diseases, and more. STC30 is a highly innovative product based on an award-winning plant stem cell science, Phytocell Tech by Maibel Biochemistry in Switzerland. Approved to help over 137 ailments, mostly non-communicable diseases. But wait, there's more! Kung naghahanap ka din ng patok na negosyong pambawi sa mga nagastos mo, matutulungan ka ng STC30 dyan. For only 6,670 pesos, may 2 box ka na, may negosyo ka pa na mauumpisahan. Because STC30 is all you need. Contact us now. All diseases, one solution.